Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Levi's account password. If you don't have a Levi's account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 20% off plus free shipping on your first order. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your name at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your name. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. Now, enter your current password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering, click on Update. That's how you change your Levi's account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.